kemisjourney. You're welcome to kemisjourney. Innovative vlog, the best with style. Kemisjourney. You're welcome to kemisjourney. Innovative vlog, the best with.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you guys back. If this is your first time of clicking to watch my videos, thank you. If you're a regular here, I love you for watching. So today we're gonna be doing a real live unboxing Shein haul. Is it Shein or Shein? Anyway, so we're gonna be finding out if she in or she out. If what do we think about Shein hauls? What do we think about Shein? The quality of their fabrics. I'm gonna be giving the real life dates from the quality, the fit, true to size, and everything. So I kind of ordered like was it 10 items? I was gonna do the challenge of all items under $100, but guys, I kind of did good. I did like $114 was what I spent in total, and I got 10 items. I feel like if you love shopping and all that, you know that I pretty much did good. I didn't go over budget like so, but I'm so excited to be trying on these items and be opening it in real time, because I got it like a couple of days ago and I was like, I really want to film it, the real unveiling and my true reaction and review and everything. So guys, let's go straight to the unboxing. I have my knife here with me. I have a scissors, but and I feel like the knife is just gonna get it. I'm excited. We have a lot of items to uncover. These are the shoes, and I have to give it to Shein though. Like, I would say I actually love the packaging. Like, I love what I'm seeing. Another shoe, a pair of shoes. Shein. Oh my god! So the first item I'm so excited to be revealing is a floppy hat. Got this hat. I was like, oh my gosh, I've always wanted a hat, and all the prices I was seeing before now, they're kind of ridiculous. And I think this was for $7, guys. $7. So I always wanted a hat. Like, once I saw this, I was 7. I was like, yes, of course I'm getting it. Of course I'm getting it. So let's see how it's gonna fit. Guys, like. What do you think? You guys think about it, the fit and all? I like it. I feel like it's cute. Let's get straight into the next item. This is just one. I love it. I'm still gonna be styling it, but let's get straight into the next item. I can't wait to see how the other items fit. But I love the hat. I feel like okay for $6. Okay, not bad, not bad. I actually wanted it in a camel color, but I just thought that it was just the black available, so I picked it up. Next. So the next item is this cute horse. It's so cute. I actually didn't think it was gonna be this little, but it is kind of little. Yeah, I think was it a crossbody bag? A crossbody bag. It's supposed to be a crossbody bag. It's super cute. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. I love the color. OMG. OMG. Oops, I cut the duffel bag, but whatever. Oh my gosh, so cute, guys. So cute. But it's really it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Let me see if it has like a chain. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a crossbody thingy going on. So it comes with this chain, so just so you know. Yeah, so let's move to the next item I'm super excited about. Okay, so I also got this I got a tote bag. This braided tote bag. I think it was it $7 or $8? I'm going to be putting the link in the description box below so you can get reference to the prices and true to size, the reviews and everything. Oh, this is really cute for like my summer looks. OMG, I'm so excited. I love this. I really, really love it. Love, love, love. Yes, I got my shoes. I got my shoes. I got my shoes. I got my shoes. I always wanted these for the longest time. I was seeing it around, like, you know, it's like this trendy mules, this clear banded mules. I always call it the Cinderella shoes. Glass slippers, the glass mules, whatever you call it. Look how cute, guys. Look how cute. You know, it's been a trend going on, and I was like, look, I'm not about to fall for this trend. This is another trend that's gonna come and go. I mustn't buy everything that is on trend. But you know, it kept, once I saw the price and I saw it on the Shein website, I just had to get it. And look at the heels, guys, like super good, very comfortable. I'm gonna be wearing this, you know, for a long time. I feel like I can, of course I can stay on this for a long time. Super cute, guys, super cute. Just give you guys some shoe cams so you see what you're working with. It's so good. And look at the heels, love it. I'm so excited about this. So guys, the next item is this pair of mules. This pair of mules, OMG. It's a dupe. It's a dupe of the bottega mules that is, you know, kind of in trend now. I also know that it's been made popular by Mango as well, so I saw it on the Shein side. And look at the heels, guys. Love it. Love it. Look at the heels. This is what it looks like. So cute, so cute, so cute. It's the Venneta Bottega dupes on the Shein side, so this is kind of what they have going on. And I think the original price for this is over $1,000 for the original designer Bottega Venneta mules. But I said to get a dupe because anybody got time or money to spend on that. So yes, I love this. I love this so much. I'm excited about this. I'm gonna be trying it on. And then the last but not least, guys, this is another dupe. Same Bottega Venneta mules. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. And look at the pearls, girl. You better get your life. Get your life, get your life. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's open it up. Okay, so it comes with this. Kind of stuff it up. So this is what it looks inside. And it has pearls on the handles. So I think it also has like this magnetic clasp, so you can kind of clasp it. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I love this. I love this. Of course, you'll be seeing the dupe. The original price for this is $1,800. I think when I checked this site, the Bottega Veneta site, I checked it and I was like, whoa. And then I got this for, was it $27? So yeah, real good. I feel like the sizing could have been a bit bigger. I feel like it's, you know, it's little, but for the price. And then I love that it came with, you know, the pearl hands, the Shein. They kind of did like, you know, their own thing, which is really good. Oh, it's cute. It can work both ways, so you can carry it on. It's cute. Then I have, you know, some tops and dresses that we have to try on. So let's try them on. I'm gonna be trying them on. First thing I have this. I think it was a polka dot dress. Look at the packaging, guys. Look at this packaging. They did good. I love this packaging. Really good. So excited. I hope that the clothes are true to size. So I got this one puff, you know, polka dot dress. Now this looks short, but anyways, it's really nice. I love the fabric. It's kind of stretchy. I just wanted something comfy, you know, that I could go almost anywhere with. And so I got this, and it was $10 as well, because we're, you know, kind of working on a $100 budget. Decided to get this. So the next item is this. This is a newspaper print dress. Oh wow, this is really beautiful, and it comes in other colors. They have the yellow as well, but I just felt a newspaper is actually typically white, so I didn't want to do too much, and then I just got this. If you know me personally, you know I love anything newspaper print. Like, I feel it's just so vogue, so chic, and you know, timeless. I just love it. So I'm so excited about this. I love it already. Just from seeing it, I can tell that, you know, it's gonna be a good fit. I got this blouse. Oh yeah, this is the halter neck. I've been seeing like the Zara bodysuits going around, and you know, I just said let me try and see what, you know, the Shein quality is gonna look like. So it's an halter neck bodysuit, and I think I got it for $7 as well. So it's just a top, you know, to just kind of walk around in the summer with a pair of mom jeans. So I got that as well. Yes, 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 girl, you're gonna get your life. Okay, so I got this blouse, this puff sleeve. Oh my gosh, I love it so much already. Just wanted to try something now, like the blouses, and see how true to size they're gonna be. So I said to get this as well. I can't wait to show you guys the fit of this. Come on, girl. Come on, come on. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much if you stayed to the end. Kindly give my video a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button as well as click on the notification bell so you get notified for every time I post a new video, which is typically every Sunday. I appreciate you for your support, guys. So even if you don't take anything or you don't buy anything from this haul, I want you guys to see if you can get these bottega dupes. I feel like they're such a staple, you know, this period, and they're such a good trend, and white basically like goes with most outfits or everything. So I want you guys to try and see if you have it. That if you don't, I highly recommend it, and I feel like this is comfortable and this is so pretty with the pearls as well as the clear band mules. And I have no complaints so far on each of the item based on sizing. I feel like it was true to size as well, but most of the outfits were also stretchy, and I feel like they were all such great buys. I do not regret, and I will not be making any returns. So thumbs up to Shein. I think I found most of the items are amazing, and the price not bad as well. For the quality, I think is amazing. The only thing is I felt like when I was ordering in their site, they were like, you know what, you have to, you know, wait for like 3 weeks before you get your package. And I was like, 3 weeks? So they were basically saying like, okay, she in or she out, decide if you want to purchase from us. I was like, 3 weeks. But you know what, thumbs up to them. I get it, Shein, you guys are smart. Like, you know what, give the customer low expectations and then exceed the expectation. That was super smart, because you know what, I ordered and then it came like the week after, and I was expecting it like 3 weeks based off of what they said on their website. So that was really good. They exceeded my expectation in terms of shipping. It came like a week after. This was super good. So if you're also interested in any of the items available, I'm going to be linking down below on my Instagram personal shopper page, where you can shop some of the items. Yes, I offer a personal shopping service and I ship from the US to the UK or to Africa. If you're in one of those locations and you don't have access to getting shipping or shopping from the Shein website, I can give recommendations, personal advice as well. So guys, please show support, as well as, you know what, please tell a friend, share my video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I had a good time filming this. Bye.